Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper origami skirt. So start off with a square piece of paper and take one side and fold it to the other side and crease well. Now open your paper up and take one edge and fold it in to the center crease and crease well. Do the same thing with the other side. Now you're going to take this and you're going to flip it over and you're going to fold it in half. And you will crease well. Now you will open it up. You will take one flap and you'll make it go outwards. You also want to make sure that this pointy part is not touching the line. It's touching a little bit more further. So maybe like here. And you will fold it so this little edge gets a little bit tucked in like that. And you will crease well. Then you will do the same thing with the other side, making it touch this pointy top like this, and you will crease well. Doing this pointy top is really important, otherwise your skirt will not look good. Now what you're going to do, you're going to fold it in half and it will be like this. Now so we can get this 3D skirt type thing, the skirt shape, we need to get rid of this. So how do we do that? We open it up, we crease on this edge like that, and we take it and we squeeze it like this, and we crease it well so it stays hidden. And we do the same thing on the other side. Flipping it over, taking this and creasing it on like this. Now you will decorate your skirt. Now your paper origami skirt is ready. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!